hilltops of Cheatham County, this 170-acre retreat is truly an outdoorsman's paradise. With just a little timber removal, this property would boast some incredible views, perfect for your private estate, wedding venue, or exclusive business retreat. This one-of-a-kind property has it all. Creeks run down both sides, even including a breathtaking waterfall. Lots of wildlife call this sanctuary home. The adjoining property had a 17-point buck harvested just a few years back. Trees line the road, leaving you with that distinct Smoky Mountain feeling. All the while, you're just minutes to the interstate. Take a step back in time with this historic property. Learn how this land was one of the largest gunpowder mills in the South, operating long before Cheatham County was even established. It had key roles in the establishment of Cheatham County and key roles and ties to the Civil War. Schedule an appointment with one of the listing agents to view this majestic property before it's gone. You will quickly realize the value of this property at only $3.4 million. Come see the true Cheatham and own a piece of history.